We're looking at 12 Chinese inventions that you literally cannot find anywhere else in the world. And I'm not talking about ancient inventions like gunpowder or paper. I'm talking about modern innovations and products that exist only in China in 2026. Let's get into it. Number 12, QR code payment dominance. This isn't just mobile payment. This is a completely cashless society operating at scale impossible anywhere else. WeChat Pay and Alipay dominate with QR codes on literally everything. Street vendors, beggars, temple donation boxes, subway buskers, you scan a code and money transfers instantly. The integration is total. You can pay utility bills, order food, book doctor's appointments, invest in mutual funds, and send money to friends all within the same app. The speed is instant. The fees are virtually zero. The adoption rate exceeds 90% in urban areas. Western systems like Apple Pay or Google Pay are clunky by comparison. Credit cards feel ancient. This represents a complete leapfrog over traditional banking infrastructure, creating a cashless ecosystem that works seamlessly. Number 11, facial recognition everything. China has deployed facial recognition technology at scale that makes Western implementations look primitive. You board subways by looking at cameras. You pay for groceries with your face. You enter apartment buildings through facial scans. Universities track student attendance automatically. The accuracy is remarkable even with masks or glasses. The database integration is comprehensive. Police can identify individuals in crowds within seconds. Shopping malls track customer movements, optimizing store layouts. The privacy implications are significant, but the convenience is undeniable. You never need wallet, keys, or phone for many daily activities. Your face is literally your identity. This level of deployment and integration doesn't exist anywhere else. Number 10, smart traffic light systems. Chinese cities use AI-powered traffic management systems that adapt in real time to traffic conditions. The lights aren't on timers. They analyze traffic flow using cameras and sensors, adjusting signal timing dynamically. During rush hour, major arteries get priority. When accidents occur, the system reroutes traffic automatically. Emergency vehicles trigger green light corridors. The efficiency improvements are substantial, reducing average commute times by 20 to 30% in cities using these systems. The integration with navigation apps is seamless. Your phone knows when lights will change, helping optimize routes. This represents smart city infrastructure at scale that Western cities are only beginning to pilot. Number 9, delivery robots on sidewalks. Autonomous delivery robots navigate Chinese sidewalks, delivering food in packages. These aren't experimental. They're operational at massive scale. The robots use LiDAR and cameras, avoiding pedestrians and obstacles. They summon elevators autonomously. They call customers when arriving. The cost per delivery is fraction of human couriers. Companies like Meituan deploy thousands of these robots daily. They handle last-mile delivery in residential complexes and business districts. The infrastructure supports them with dedicated charging stations and maintenance hubs. Regulations allow sidewalk operation unlike most Western countries. The efficiency and scale of deployment is years ahead of anywhere else. Number 8, social credit integration. The social credit system integrates behavior monitoring across multiple platforms, affecting everything from loan rates to dating app matches. This is uniquely Chinese, combining government oversight with private company data. Good behavior like paying bills on time or volunteering improves scores. Bad behavior like traffic violations or loan defaults lowers scores. High scores provide benefits like easier visa applications or better insurance rates. Low scores restrict purchasing plane tickets or accessing certain services. The comprehensiveness is unprecedented. The ethical implications are debated globally, but the system exists and functions at scale, affecting hundreds of millions of people. Number 7, high-speed rail network. China's high-speed rail network exceeds the rest of the world combined. Over 40,000 kilometers of track. Trains reaching 350 kilometers per hour. The scale and speed are unmatched. You can travel from Beijing to Shanghai over 1,000 kilometers in 4.5 hours. The frequency is remarkable, with trains departing every few minutes during peak hours. The stations are massive modern facilities. The ticketing is completely digital, integrated with apps and facial recognition. The cost is making high-speed rail accessible to average citizens. The network continues expanding rapidly, connecting more cities annually. This represents infrastructure investment at scale impossible in democratic countries with slower approval processes. Number 6, shared everything ecosystem. China pioneered shared economy at scale beyond what exists elsewhere. Shared bikes flooded cities before Western bike shares existed. But it goes far beyond bikes. Shared power banks are ubiquitous in restaurants and shops. You rent a portable charger for pennies, returning it anywhere in the network. Shared umbrellas appear during rain. Shared basketballs exist in parks. Shared karaoke rooms operate in malls. The deposit systems use mobile payment, making rentals frictionless. The scale is massive with millions of items in circulation. The convenience transforms daily life, eliminating need to own many items. This sharing infrastructure doesn't exist at comparable scale anywhere else. Number 5. Live commerce integration. Live streaming commerce in China operates at scale that makes Western equivalents look amateur. Influencers sell everything from cosmetics to cars through live video streams. The top streamers move hundreds of millions in merchandise during single sessions. The integration is seamless. Viewers watch streams, ask questions in real time, and purchase with single taps without leaving the stream. The discounts are substantial, often 50% or more. The entertainment value is high with professional production and celebrity appearances. Major brands launch products exclusively through live streams. The annual live commerce market exceeds hundreds of billions of dollars. This represents evolution of e-commerce that Western platforms are only beginning to copy. Number 4. Mega apps. Chinese super apps like WeChat combine functionality that requires a dozen separate apps in the West. WeChat is messaging, social media, payment system, ride-hailing, food delivery, gaming platform, news source, government services portal, and more. You literally conduct entire digital life within one app. The mini programs allow businesses creating services within WeChat without separate apps. You order food, pay bills, book appointments, and chat with friends without switching apps. The integration eliminates friction. The data sharing enables personalized experiences. Western attempts at super apps have failed because ecosystems are already fragmented. China built these from the beginning, creating unified platforms that are now indispensable. Number 3. AI-powered surveillance cities. Chinese cities deploy artificial intelligence surveillance at scale, creating safe environments through constant monitoring. The camera networks are comprehensive, covering virtually all public spaces. The AI analyzes footage in real time, identifying suspicious behavior, tracking individuals, and predicting crimes before they occur. Police respond to alerts within minutes. The crime reduction in cities using these systems is documented, with some areas reporting 70% decreases. The facial recognition integrates with databases, instantly identifying wanted individuals. The jaywalking detection automatically finds pedestrians through mobile payment apps. The comprehensiveness creates cities where crime is extremely difficult. The privacy trade-off is total, but the safety improvements are real. Number 2. Electric vehicle infrastructure. China's EV charging infrastructure exceeds the rest of the world combined. Over 2 million public charging stations. Battery swap stations that replace entire battery packs in 3 minutes. The density in urban areas means charging stations are more common than gas stations. The integration with navigation apps shows real-time availability and pricing. The government's subsidies made installation economically viable. The standardization means most EVs use compatible charging systems. The result is electric vehicle adoption at scale impossible elsewhere. Range anxiety doesn't exist when charging infrastructure is ubiquitous. This represents infrastructure investment enabling technology transition that Western countries talk about but haven't achieved. Number 1. Drone delivery networks. Autonomous drone delivery networks operating in Chinese cities represent the future of logistics. These aren't experimental programs. Companies like SF Express and JD.com operate regular drone routes, delivering packages to remote areas and urban centers. The drones navigate autonomously using GPS and obstacle avoidance. They land at designated stations where customers collect packages. The regulatory environment allows commercial drone operations at scale, unlike Western countries where regulations severely restrict autonomous flights. The cost savings are substantial, eliminating human couriers for many routes. The speed improvements are dramatic, with deliveries completing in minutes instead of hours. The network continues expanding with thousands of daily flights. This represents logistics infrastructure from the future operating today.